Hey you all, this is my Thursday weekly update on the 9x9 challenge with 9 Acre Family Farms and several who are following the hashtag 9x9 challenge. That's 9x9 challenge. So, my monthly goal list, actually, I have 9 goals. I'll give you a progress report on all of them. That way, we are all on the same page. So, if you don't remember, 9x9 challenge was set by 9 Acre Family Farms. It's 9 goals for the next 9 months. My daily goals: I want to spend more time engaged with God and choose healthy habits. I'm trying to make time to do both of those things, and old habits are hard to break. So I am trying to connect by reading plan with the YouVersion Bible. So, and the healthy habits are just, that's going to take some time. We've gotten back into make ahead meals and things like that, and reducing the number of pastries that are left around for me to find. So clean up, organize, and put away something in the shop. That's an ongoing process. I have made major improvements. I still have many to go, but we're in a lot better shape than we were a few weeks ago. And work the business for an hour a day, 7 days a week. And sometimes that's not time spent in the shop. And yes, I do that. I connect with my 2 retail opportunities. I'm constantly planning and doing drafts for projects. I am constantly looking at newer and better ways to do things and improving my shop from a workflow standpoint, so that when business comes, business easier to do. So I'm committed to doing a project a week. I've got pens, utensils, cutting boards way ahead. The pens, I'm going to cut all my scrap into blanks if they're suitable size, and then I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill those so that when it's pen making time, it's just come and batch out a few. And that will set me ahead on that chore, but I've not yet taken the time to do that. But I've got a whole, here, let me show you. So I've got this whole thing. It's got 21 different utensils in it: spoons, spurtles, spatulas, some little butter spreaders. So I need to get all those sanded up, and then they'll be retail ready. Let's see. We already talked about my yearly goals. So y'all just remember, you're not a failure. You're overwhelmed, but you got this. Just find your piece of paper, write down your goals, and get at it. Identify your problem, then work the problem. Or, if it's something that you just can't put your finger on, talk to the community. Somebody can help you. Reach out to me if I don't know. Odds are I know somebody that does. I know some very sharp people. Not that you don't, but we're all in this together. So, what I learned being a new business and in a lot of other things, you don't really know what you don't know until either you figured out the hard, expensive way, or someone tells you, and hopefully they tell you before the other way. So, sign on for the challenge. We'll help each other through our accountability, and we'll make this happen. My monthly goals: practice new skills. If you watch my videos, I'm working projects that are well out of my comfort zone. Just try and be consistent everywhere and dial in on my own success. Sometimes that looks a lot like helping other people reach theirs. spend more time outside my comfort zone and master myself. That's an ongoing problem or an ongoing project. It's not really a project, or a problem, it's an opportunity. And my immediate goals were a complete reset in the shop, and I did that. I'm working on getting in a right relationship with myself, my stuff, and my life. Everybody should work on that one. It's a good goal. Trying to bring order to the chaos. Not so much in my life, because I don't do a lot of chaos. I got over that years ago. But, chaos in storage, chaos in the way my yard currently is, because we have a new dog and her favorite game is play Let Me Hunt the Stick at the bottom of the stick pile. You have to be kind and help other people, and it's good for your soul. So keep your eye on where you're going, but don't forget the road that got you there. Remember, make your list of 9 goals. Remember to use the hashtag 9x9 challenge. Reach out to your community. Someone will help you, or we'll all help you. And if we don't know, odds are we know somebody that does. We'll help you stay on track, because there's no motivator at all like knowing somebody's going to ask you about it if you have not prepared. And remember, always like, comment, subscribe, share the challenge with people who need it. We are the best community on social media, and we can make this happen. God bless you all, and I hope to see more people sign on for this challenge, because it is totally worth it.
Way out back at Soldier Farms wood shop, Jim's grinning, got a board on the bench, pencil behind his ear, sawdust on his sneakers, talking about a challenge that he's pretty sure he'll clinch. Jim from Soldier Farms wood shop, building up a plank to simmer. Sing it, Jim! He made the contest, thinks he's got it locked, but fat chance, friend, if somebody else enters, fat chance, Jim, if anybody else enters.
He's tapping on the fretboard,
Yeah, that'll sing.
strings in his teeth and a coffee on the bice.
He named the whole contest after this thing, but if one more build shows up, he might play second prize. Jim from Soldier Farms wood shop,